Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is actually Monday. Happy New Year's. It is so crazy that we are in 2024 now and this year is probably just going to fly by. I can just already assure you. So today, since we still have so many videos that I want to upload, we are doing the last of 2023, the eBay and Mercari sales for December. Now, December was a really good month for me. I had a total of $206 in profit that I made, $93 from Mercari and $133 from eBay. And the reason why, I made so much money and good money as well. It's because of the Christmas, the holidays, people buying gifts and everything. Like my sales have been increasing in December. Now I am prepared to have a decrease in sales probably in January and in February because of the after holidays. It's always slow usually for eBay and Mercari resellers. But some people do really good during those months. I don't. I remember last year I did not do very good. So like I said, we have $226 that we are going to be working with. I already broke it down, a lot of it except for like $21, and the rest of the money we're just going to spin the wheel and see where it's going to go. So how is y'all's New Year's? I am currently off. I am just relaxing. We went and had dinner with my brother. We took the dogs over there so they can play with their dogs. It was really fun, really relaxing. I still have not put up my Christmas tree, guys. I need to take it down and put it up in the attic, and I have not done that yet. So let's go ahead and count. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 200. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. So $226, like I said, we are going to be stuffing it. And we're probably going to have to make some change for sure. I haven't gotten that far yet. But yeah, so we do have some 5s and some 1s that we can use to spin the wheel on. And my New Year's resolution is to rotate these dollar bills so I don't get called out on them. I just think it's so funny when people call me out on it. I know, OCD, I'm probably the same way, but it really doesn't bother me with this one. All right, so let's get right into it. So the first thing that we are going to be doing is definitely going to be doing our last stuffing for the taxes. And we are going to be putting $45, and I always put 20% back. And let's see. So we have a 5, and it's $45. So we have a 5. We're going to put the 5 down here, and then we're just going to put a 50. So let me make sure that I have everything so I can count this correctly. All right, so for 2023, for the taxes that we have saved up right now, we have 50, that's 100, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27. So we have $427 that we are going to be putting in. Hopefully this is enough to pay my tax preparer, and also hopefully we don't have to pay for any taxes either. All right, so that is it. That is it for our taxes for 2023. $45 is in there. All right, and I already forgot how much is in taxes. So I'm going to have to count it real quick one more time because I forgot I'm going to have to update those. 200, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 427. Okay. Go ahead and update that. So $427 is how much we have for taxes. So savings, we are going to be putting $40, and I do have the rainy day fund, but I don't have my highlighter, so I will color that off camera. And with the rainy day fund, we do not count it because I like to be surprised on how much we save at the end of this. We just finished it a couple of weeks ago, and it was a really good one as well. I think we saved like almost $500. It was like 400 and something dollars. So $40 is going into the rainy day fund. And then debt is going to be the next one. And we are also going to be putting $40 in debt. And once we reach $500, then let's do 50. We'll see if we can count that. Once we reach $500, we will deposit and make a debt payment to either the credit card or the student loans, whichever one we still are paying for. So 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, and 77. So $277. $277. So out of 500 minus 277, we need to save $223, which is not bad. Next, we are going to be doing traveling. We are traveling in the next couple of weeks for my birthday for up north. So we are going to be needing some money for that. So we just put $40 in there. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49. So $149 is going into traveling. Okay. So we have $149. Next is home, which more, the envelope that we are going to be working on is the furniture because we want a king size bed first. And that is one of our resolutions for our personal goals, our financial goals. We want a king size bed. If you have not seen that video, it was posted on Saturday actually, and I will link it at the end of this video so you guys can go and check that one out. So furniture is getting $20. So let's do 10 and 20. Yep, that would be fine. So for furniture, we have 100, 200, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. So $260 in furniture. $260. Is it 60 or 69? I swear I have short-term memory loss now, being in my 30s, and I just cannot remember anything right now. 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay, 260. Why did I think it was like 269? All right, and then last but not least, for sure, we are going to be doing fertility. And fertility is one of the bigger ones in 2024 that we want to save as well. So we have, let's see, we're doing $20. So 1, 5, 10, 15, and 20. Go ahead and count that. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, and 82. So we have $282 in fertility. $282, which that is incredible so far for our long-term savings that we are doing. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. So we have $21 left. And we are going to go ahead and do the spin the wheel because that is always fun. So I'm going to move this out of the way And we are going to go ahead and spin it just to see where our leftover money is going to go. Okay, it can go towards debt. So we are going to be doing debt, which will be getting $1. And we will count this at the end. I might not count debt because we just literally did the debt one. Pets is going to be getting $1. I'm trying to find my envelopes or my binders. They are getting $1. So we have an update on the pets. So one of the person was supposed to come and stay, but she has to do like some work thing in Mississippi. So now I have to board one, and then my brother is watching the other one. But however, they're saying that Dobby's vaccination is due, and his shots are not due until January 24th, and I have him scheduled for the 17th to get shots, but I'm not sure if this daycare or boarding cuts it off at a certain time, a couple of weeks before the shots are due. So that is the reason why they're saying on the website that his shots are expired. So I'm going to have to call them and figure that out. But yeah, so that's always fun too. Jared did get $1 for savings. Next one is going to be renewals. And I actually just emptied the renewals today or Sunday. And I am just paid the HOA fee. So we are going to restart that because we have other renewals coming up. We have car renewals. We have my certification that's going to be renewed. So we're going to be doing some savings on that. Giveaways is getting $1. Next, we're going to be doing beauty and wellness. So we will do $1 in beauty. Yeah, so we'll do $1 in beauty and $1 in wellness, since we have a couple of dollars, and that would be good. So everybody can get some love on these envelopes. Next one is giveaway again, which is awesome. We're going to build up that $100 again and bless 2 people, maybe 4 people. Maybe I'll do four $25 giveaways, or I'll probably just do 2 $50 giveaways. And then fertility. We'll be getting $1, and then we have 2 $5 bills. So let's see where those are going to be going. Birthdays is going to be going into that one. And then last but not least, where's the other 5? If I like the spin, is going to be going towards Jared's tires, which is totally fine. Tires, which is right here. All right, so I'm going to move this out of the way, and then we're going to start counting and see how much money we have saved and how much we have put in each one. So savings is going to be getting $1, and this is Jared's savings, and I'm going to do the same thing. I count his, but once we reach $500, his is going into the high yield savings account as well. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 81, 82, 83, and 84. $84 in savings. Jared's tires is getting $5. And he has 10, 15, 16, 17, and 18. $18 in tires. Next, we're going to go ahead and do the green binder. So the green binder birthday is getting $5. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So $15 in birthdays. Wellness is getting $1. We have a total of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So $10 for wellness. Date night is getting $1. And we have a total of 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So $30 in date night. Anniversary is getting $1. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So $6 for anniversary. Moving on to our yellow binder. And we are going to, let's see, we're going all the way to giveaways, which we are adding $2 in giveaways. And that is 1, 2, and 3, so $3. Next is going to be the pets, and they are getting $1. So we have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So $113. Let's see. Beauty is getting $1. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So $7 in beauty. And then renewal is starting back with $1. Last but not least is going to be our long term. And let's see, we have $1 in debt. And like I said, we are not going to count that since we just finished counting it. So we're just adding $1 to that. Let's see, Christmas, taxes, fertility. Also, we literally just counted because we added $40 to that, or $20 to that. So we are going to just be adding $1 to it. And that is it. So that is it, you guys. So we stuffed all $226 into our last side hustle income payment from eBay and Mercari. It was super fun. I am so blessed to have this side hustle, and I'm so blessed to have you guys, and I'm so glad that we are starting 2024 together on a strong note. And I just can't wait for the rest of the year to start. But anyways, I love you guys, and thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. And I will see you guys on Tuesday for a money challenge. Bye, guys.